Alright guys, I just want to knock this video series out. I've been putting off making it for a while now. I had like a couple different approaches to solving this problem at first, and so if you go over to my GitHub page, you can see my repositories. I originally solved this problem in a kind of naive way, and you can look here. This was like the final product, I think, of the naive way of doing it. And what I was doing was I used Python with Auto GUI. And it basically takes control of your mouse to where it'll move the cursor to one spot, click, move the cursor to another spot, click. So what I had was this new and interesting find section, and I would pull that page up, and it would go here, and it would click on it. And when it clicked on it, it would save the image, boom, save image, and it'd go to a folder. Okay, and then it would click this one, and it'd pull the actual product up. And then where my cursor is, there would be an affiliate link. Well, since my affiliate account is canceled now, that affiliate link isn't popping up, but if you had an affiliate account, it would pop up for you. Okay, and then it would actually go over to Pinterest. So it would go over to Pinterest, and then it would do like upload image, and it would fill these things out, etc. Okay, so that was the naive way of doing it. A proper way of doing it is using APIs. So that's when I figured out, okay, there's these different APIs that have been made. All right, so I went over and the better version is up now, and this one will work for you really good without ever failing. So basically what it does is it takes these keyword lists, and I've got like a couple of them here. And then this split.py program is, if you ever, it was just for basically, import a keyword file and then output that file, and that's not necessary. Anyways, I got some keywords here, and so this program, it uses that keywords list, and for every word on that list, it actually does an Amazon search using Amazon's own API, and then it posts the results as products. And you can see this is like a 30-line little snippet of code here, but that's all it takes, and then everything up here is just logging in. And don't worry about this. This is not my information. Even these access keys, they were like mostly it, but I took some stuff out of them to make them no longer valid. I don't even remember what I took out. That's how irrelevant it is. That's my email address though. Any business inquiries, and guys, I'm looking for a job, so if you know anyone who needs like Python automation, yeah, hit that email right there. But yeah, so yeah, that's the basic code. All you're doing is importing these APIs, and then logging in, and then you're searching, right, for every product. And there's a lot of try and excepts here just so that the APIs don't return something invalid, because when your API call returns like a 404, then it crashes the program. I had these running on a virtual AWS server. So that was kind of interesting, like using Amazon's own server to basically promote their stuff. But yeah, so I'll end the video here, and then in the next video I'll show you guys kind of what the requirements are to install this, so you can set it up for yourself.